This is Brian, and today we are going to learn how to draw the Black Panther. That's right, one of the most awesome superheroes. I've also got some facts to tell you about the Black Panther. So unless you're a really huge hardcore fan, you might not know a lot of these facts. First off, let's start with those superhero eyes and the face, and just follow along with me as I read you some facts. Have you guys seen the movie? It's a good movie. Well, if you've seen the movie, you know he is the king of an entire nation. He's not just a superhero, he is a king. How cool would that be to be a king of an advanced civilization that no one knows about, and also be a really cool superhero? So this fact, I was wondering myself, just because of the similarities, but he actually predates the Black Panther Party. So most assume the moniker and invention of Black Panther was prompted by the Black Panther movement of the late 1960s, but that is not true. The Black Panther was created before this time. The character actually hit just before the Black Panther Party was founded in 1966, though he did come well after the World War II Black Panthers Tank Battalion. Alright, he even went back to Black Leopard for a short time in 1972 when Marvel was looking to avoid any controversy. Kind of crazy facts, huh? But it all makes sense. And as you know from watching the movies, his bodyguards are unstoppable ladies. I like how they put ladies as his bodyguards. I thought that was a really cool touch, and I'm all for woman power. I hope you are too. And of course, he augments his physical strength with super tech. So he's the king of an advanced civilization, right? We all know that. And his suit is really powerful, but he is also, on his own right, a really good fighter. He's a superhero. And even without his suit, he could still take down some evil dudes.
Wow.
A Black Panther must train for many years before taking up the mantle T'Challa, possessing Olympic-level strength, speed, agility, stamina, reflexes, and superhuman senses. Of course, he's an acrobat. He has to be because he's a panther. Did you also know that the Black Panther debuted in an issue of Fantastic Four? That's right. Often it takes a little while for a new superhero to get their very own title. Even Spider-Man debuted in Amazing Fantasy number 15. The Black Panther was no exception. His first appearance was in the tried and tested Fantastic Four way back in 1966. These superheroes have been around for a very long time. Alright, how is your drawing turning out? I bet it's amazing. Gotta love the Black Panther. Did you know that he was the first black superhero in mainstream comics? I think that is a pretty cool breakthrough, and it was about time. He predates DC's Green Lantern, Tyrock, and even Black Lightning on the Marvel side. He was debuted well before Luke Cage or Falcon, and of course all these other black superheroes came afterward. The Black Panther first appeared in animated films in 1994, so it was really comic books until that time, and I'm glad that they finally made a cartoon so that they could make a real movie. Black Panther has been part of almost every major Marvel super team, which is crazy because I wouldn't have guessed that. He's been an honorary X-Men because he married Storm. Bet you didn't know that. He's taken over for Sue and Reed Richards alongside Storm to fill out the rest of the Fantastic Four, not to mention his stints as a member of the Fantastic Force and the Defenders. That is one heck of a resume, I would say. Well, we're about coming to the end of this. I hope you've enjoyed drawing the Black Panther on Rainbow Brush with myself, Brian, of course. Have an amazing day. And as always, make sure you hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel so that you can get all the other videos that I put out. And make sure you comment so that we can talk a little bit. I will see you later, as always, on the next video.
Ha 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 ha!